Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NOKIA G20 and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, let's open the keyboard, for example in messages. It doesn't really matter, just open it, and now we can focus on this option bar and enter the settings. If you cannot find the settings here, just tap on this three dot icon and they should appear right here. So let's enter the settings and tap on the languages. And as you can see here, we've got the list of added languages to the keyboard, and we've got only English right now, so let's tap on Add Keyboard, and here we've been transferred to the full list of all available languages from which we can choose. So as you can see, we've got plenty of options to choose from. I'm sure that you will find something you would like to use. And let me pick the language which is graphical one in order to show you the difference. So let me pick Assyrian maybe. So just tap on the one you would like to use. Sometimes you will be able also to use the region, pick the region. So let me tap on it and tap on done. And as you can see, it has been immediately applied to the list. So we can go back to the keyboard and check. And here we've got actually two differences. First of all, on the spacebar we've got the name of the language we are currently using, and next to it we've got the language key, the globe icon, which will allow us to change the language. So right now I'm freely typing English, but after tapping on the globe icon I can switch to the Assyrian one. Let's tap on it again, and here we've got the English. So actually this is it. This is how to add the language to the keyboard. And now let me show you how to remove it, because probably you want to leave only one language here. So let me enter the languages again and tap on this pencil icon, and all you have to do right now is to simply mark the language you would like to remove. In my case it will be Assyrian, and tap on this trash bin icon. We've got only English left, as it was at the very beginning, and the keyboard just got back to its normal state, so the spacebar is empty and the language key is invisible. So actually this is it. This is how to change keyboard language in your NOKIA G20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.